Case Manager is a tool for editing and creating your own scenarios for XR Clinic. At the initial stage, you can choose a suitable virtual patient and define the relevant data for him, such as age, profession, etc. At the stage of dialogues, you can adjust all the questions and answers of the patient. What's more, you have the ability to quickly voice new patient responses using the built-in voice generator. The voice generator is a multifunctional tool with a lot of possibilities. You can select the desired language, dialect, and gender of the voiced patient. Also, before voicing, there is the possibility of preliminary listening to the recording. To simplify the work, we have made the function of sounding all the dialogues that are present in the script at once by pressing only one button. Examination section. In this section it is possible to change the indications of examinations, adjust the evaluation system, use our library of materials, such as an ECG or X-ray, to use them for your own new scenario. In the palpation subsection, it is possible to determine the pain points of the corresponding pathologies. They visualize in the scenario the patient's pain reaction during palpation of the corresponding zone. As in other sections of the Case Manager, you can very easily adjust the scoring system. Additional examinations. The section allows you to edit the results of examinations, add your own results to the picture, or use from our library. You can also adjust the score for each section. Diagnosis section. It is necessary to indicate the diagnosis options that will be presented to the trainee in the simulator to select the correct one. The label on the right is necessary in order to highlight the correct diagnosis so that the system can understand the correct choice. Treatment section. In this section it is necessary to set the correct treatment, which will be evaluated as correct. In the section there are a large number of settings. You can choose a diet, the option of hospitalization if necessary, as well as the treatment itself. We have a large library of drugs to simplify the work with the system. Also, for each drug, it is possible to detail it. Let's take it in terms of dose, regimen, and type of administration. Correction of the assessment system allows you to designate the weight of the student's answers. This button makes it possible to show in the form of a document instructions for passing the scenario for 100 points. It displays all actions in the scenario that affect the receipt of points. This document can be downloaded to your PC for personal use. Pressing this button means that the new scenario being developed is ready to be used in the simulator. And after this button is pressed, the new scenario will be downloaded to all devices that are assigned to the user using the Case Manager.